Hi, I am Eero,
And I'm Erbil.
and our dream is to create a new type of camping experience.
We have experience with several environmental and sustainable projects, starting from electric vehicles to mullihotel.
Yes, I'm the creator of Hotel in Estonia. It's a new way of camping. This is Hotel.
So, we wanted to realize an incredible, exciting, and sustainable crowdfunding campaign to turn your desires into a real camp.
Hotel is all about experiencing nature firsthand, but I think it is time to take a next step and go more extreme and more environmental friendly. But what could be more environmental friendly than a simple haystack?
Everyone will come to the camp, including my friend Anu.
Tere! I already have a booking for CoolEst Nature Camp. Would you like to join me?